Have you ever been scrolling through a list in your app only to have it crash unexpectedly? It's frustrating, right? If you've encountered the dreaded IndexOutOfBoundsException with your RecyclerView, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and help you find a solution. I completely understand how annoying it is when your app crashes, especially when you're just trying to scroll through your data. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues with RecyclerView. Let's dive into the specifics of your problem. Here's the situation we're looking at. One user reported getting a java.lang.IndexOutOfBoundsException when flinging their RecyclerView. They noticed that scrolling slowly didn't cause any crashes. They also mentioned that this issue only occurs with certain subclasses of their base adapter. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this inconsistency? The user discovered that their getItemCount method changes based on the status of footer loading views. This dynamic change while scrolling can lead to the inconsistency that triggers the crash. Let's break this down further. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a solid approach to fixing this issue that you won't want to miss. To address the inconsistency issue with the RecyclerView, the user should first ensure that the getItemCount method is stable and does not change while scrolling. This can be achieved by managing the loading states more effectively. Next, the user should implement a mechanism to notify the adapter of data changes only after the scrolling has stopped. This can be done using a RecyclerView on-scroll listener. Additionally, the user can consider using a placeholder or a static footer header view that does not change dynamically. This will help maintain a consistent item count. Finally, the user should test the implementation thoroughly. They can do this by simulating various loading states and ensuring that the RecyclerView behaves as expected without throwing exceptions. Did you know? The RecyclerView is one of the most powerful components in Android development, but it can also be one of the trickiest to master. Just like a magician, it requires practice to get the tricks right. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to call notifiedDataSetChanged in the setFooterStatus method. This ensures that the RecyclerView is updated correctly whenever the footer status changes, preventing inconsistencies. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests creating a custom class for your layout manager. By overriding the support's predictive item animations method and returning false, you can prevent the inconsistency issue. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always ensure that your data set is stable before making any updates to the RecyclerView. This will save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these strategies, your RecyclerView should be running smoothly without any crashes. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share your success stories in the comments.